Ever dreamed of being a bird but without all the poop problems? Well, say hello to the Limitless 5 drone, your new wingman in the sky. I've been flying this little beast for a while, and let me tell you, it's like giving Iron Man a joystick minus the suit and the arc reactor. Okay, maybe just a joystick. So why is this drone turning heads? Let's break it down. First, the camera. We're talking a 4K Sony UHD lens with a 3-axis gimbal and advanced anti-shake tech. Translation: your shots won't look like you filmed on a roller coaster while juggling oranges. Even in windy conditions, it stays rock solid. Flying drones can be scary. Trees, walls, your neighbor's dog. Limitless 5 has a 360-degree obstacle avoidance. The sensors literally see obstacles. I tested it chasing my cat. Yes, the cat survived, barely, and with a 30-minute flight time and a 3-mile range, you can literally go explore your city from above without constantly running back to recharge. Now, this isn't just a flying camera, it's got follow me, droney, spiral, rocket, and waypoints modes. Basically, it's like having a Hollywood drone crew in your pocket. Want cinematic selfies? Done. Epic overhead shots for your lunch? Also done. Yes, I did that, don't judge. Control is simple: one tap, take off, and landing. Live 4K feed straight to your phone. Plus gesture and voice commands. You don't need a PhD in droneology to make it work. Just a little practice and patience. And the best part, it's FAA approved with built-in remote ID. That means you can fly safely and legally without worrying about random drone police knocking on your door. Or worse, your mom freaking out about your expensive hobby. So Limitless 5 isn't just a gadget, it's basically a personal sky cameraman with a brain. If you're serious about aerial photography, adventure shots, or just want to flex on your friends, this drone delivers. Smooth, smart, and surprisingly tough, kind of like me after 3 cups of coffee. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.